The Wonderful World of Plants, written by Ron Frieder. Focus question. How do plants begin to grow? And how do they get food so they can keep growing? Plants get food from photosynthesis, so they get ca- carbon dioxide, sunlight, and water, so they create oxygen and sugar. And sugar can be their food, so they can keep growing. Introduction. A family is going out for dinner. The kids put on the clean clothes. They go to a restaurant. Mom parked their car under a tree. Inside, everyone sits at a wooden table. Their dinner includes potatoes and fresh vegetables. Dad takes the leftover home in a cardboard box. Think about it. Think about the clothes, trees, table, food, and boxes. What do they have in common? They all come from plants. You see plants almost everywhere. You also use plants in many ways. In this book, you will learn about plants and their parts. You will learn what plants need in order to live. You will find out how plants get food and how seed grows. You will also learn why animals and plants need each other so much. The part of the plant. Most plants have the same part. They have root, stem, and leaf. Each part helps the plant get what it needs to live. Roots usually grow down into the soil. Roots hold most plants in place. They help a plant stand tall. Roots also store water and food for the plant. Roots take in water and minerals from the soil. Plants need minerals to grow and be wealthy. The stem holds up the leaf, so they can get sunlight. The stem carry water and mineral from the root to all parts of the plant. Stem can also store water and food. Do you know? Tree trunk is also a stem. The vines of strawberry and pumpkin are stem too. Leaves grow above the ground where there is light. They need light to make food for the plants. Leaves are usually flat. A flat leaf helps they catch sunlight. Try this. Look carefully at a leaf. Are the edges smooth, wavy, or shaped like a saw? Is the tip pointy or round? Does it feel smooth, rough, or bumpy? Does it feel sticky, hairy, or waxy? How plants make food. Plants need food in order to grow, but plants do not eat. Plants make their own food. This process is called photosynthesis. Plants need three things for photosynthesis to happen. They need water, air, and light. Leaves take in air through tiny holes. Air has a gas called carbon dioxide. In it, the sunlight helps mix carbon dioxide with water to make a kind of sugar. Plants use the sugar to grow. They store extra sugar in their roots, stem, and leaf. Photosynthesis. Root 1. Root take in water from the soil. 2. Leaf take in carbon dioxide and sunlight. Sunlight make water and carbon dioxide combine into sugar, which is the plant food. Unused food is stored in many parts. 5. Oxygen and water vapor exit leaf as waste. As plants make food, they also make a gas called oxygen. Plants give off oxygen through the leaf. All animals need this oxygen to live and breathe. Plants also give off water vapor through the leaf. Water vapor is water in form of gas. How plants reproduce. Palm trees make new palm trees. Tomato plants make new tomato plants. Each kind of plant must make more plants just like it. If plants do not reproduce, that kind of plant will die out. Most plants reproduce by making seeds. Seeds can grow into a new plant. These plants are like the plant that made the seed. Flower are the plant part where most seeds grow. Flower make tiny grain of pollen. The pollen is carried by the wind or by animals, such as bees, bats, and birds. Pollen from one flower stick to another flower on the same kind of plant. This process is called pollination. When pollination works, seed will form. Pollination, pistil, pollen, stamen, petal. Pollen move from stamen to pistil. Pollen move to pistil on the same flower or another. How the seed travels. Many seeds fall to the ground and begin to grow, but some seeds travel far before they start to grow. They may blow in the wind, they may float on water, they may stick to an animal fur, they may even pass through an animal body after they eat them. Then the seed will end up in a new place. A seed will sprout when it has air, water, and warmth. The tiny plant that grows from the seed is called a seedling. It will grow into a full-size plant that will make this new seed. One day those plants will become new plants, which will grow and make more seed. Plants live everywhere. Plants live almost everywhere. They grow inside and outside. They grow in rainforest and desert. They grow on mountain and in ocean. Plants grow anywhere they can get what they need. Plants and animals. Plants and animals need each other in order to live. You have learned that animals use plants for food and oxygen. Look at these pictures of other ways in which animals use plants. Then try to think of more ways in which animals use plants. Plants need animal tools. Plants need carbon dioxide to make food. The carbon dioxide comes from animals every time they breathe out. Plant and you. People around the world need plants. They eat part of the wild plant. They eat food that is grown on farms. They also use plant part as material to make many things. Some people gather wild berries to eat or sell. Farmers grow crops and prepare them to ship to customers. Loggers cut down trees to be used for paper, fabric, and building materials. Using plants for food. Much of the food you eat comes from plants. You eat the fruits of many plants. Grapes, apples, orange, and peach are all fruits. They hold plant seeds. Tomatoes, cucumber, and squash also hold their plant seed, but they are the fruits of their plant too. But you eat them as vegetables. You eat other plant part too. Sweet potatoes and yam are big roots. The part of asparagus that you eat is the stem. The top of the broccoli are flowers that haven't opened yet. Lettuce, spinach, and color green or leaf. In a way, even meat comes from plants. Many animals eat plants. The food inside the plant gets passed to those animals. Many of those animals do not eat plants. They eat the animals that eat plants. The food comes from the plant moved to one animal to the next one. Using plant for material. Plant provide you with many material. Look at these pictures below you and think of some material you can get from plants. Many medicine are made from plant. All things below can make from plant too. Think about it. Which item do you see around you that become from plant? What are the other things make of? Conclusion. Plants grow all around the world. They are very important to people. A lot of our food comes from plants. We also use plants for materials. They give us oxygen we need to breathe. Without plants, people and other animals could not survive. Plants also add beauty to our life. Plants come in many shapes and sizes. People, they have many colors and patterns. Earth has giant forests and beauty flowers. Our world really is a wonderful world of plants.